Kipping knees to elbows. The kipping knees to elbows exercise is a dynamic straight arm pulling exercise that can be used as a stepping stone towards kipping muscle ups, toes to bar and kipping pull-ups. I'm not really a fan of kipping movements, but I have clients with the goals to train these movements for their sport. Start by taking a nice tight grip on the pull-up bar with the knuckles on top of the bar. You should have a slight amount of flexion in the wrists to help activate the lats and protect the shoulders in this dynamic kipping movement. If you lose this grip, you should drop from the bar and re-grip before continuing. Keep the elbows locked, swing forward and move the body into an arch shape, with the head and shoulders pushed forward and the feet pulled back behind the body. From the arch shape, start to push down on the bar and close the shoulder angle as you move the head and shoulders behind the bar. At the same time, pull the knees towards the elbows and use the lower abs and hip flexors to close the angle between the knees and the elbows. Never allow the elbows to bend. Always focus on using the lats and pushing down on the bar to generate the force required to touch the knees to the elbows. Because the arms are straight, the shoulders will need to move back a long way behind the bar. This is not the most effective way to perform toes to bar or kipping pull-ups, but it will help to strengthen similar muscles that can be used more efficiently for these movements. The straight arm kipping motion is the beginning of the kipping bar muscle up, and hence the kipping knees to elbows can be a useful tool for building muscle endurance and movement awareness for the bar muscle up. Obviously, there is a degree of timing and coordination that must be found to link the kipping knees to elbow repetitions. Try to be patient and focus on moving from the arch shape with the shoulders in extension to the knees to elbow shape with the shoulders in flexion. Do not worry about the speed of the movement. It's best to move a little slower and focus on using the straight arm pulling strength to close the shoulder angle.